If you're looking to upgrade your everyday carry with gear that's smarter, tougher, and more innovative, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down 10 next-level EDC gear and gadgets that combine practical functionality with impressive design, from compact survival tools and rugged multi-tools to high-performance flashlights, organizers, and unique everyday accessories. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a tech lover, or simply want to be better prepared for daily life, these hand-picked EDC Essentials offer something for everyone and are sure to become favorites in any carry setup. Number 1. Last campsite, rain soaked everything and my fire died. Cold hands, wet wood, no flame, pure frustration everywhere. I needed fire fast, but my gear failed again. That moment made me realize I needed a backup. Then I stumbled across this tiny EDC fire starter. Instantly, the orange and green colors caught my attention. 2 compact pieces, ready for pockets or keychains. I loved how small and lightweight it felt. This thing is only 0.7 ounce, seriously portable. It fits in a pocket, bag, or neck carry. The aircraft aluminum body feels tough and premium, and that replaceable ferro rod really sold me. Up to 8,000 strikes means long-lasting survival confidence. The striker locks everything together with a lanyard hole. No loose parts, no stress, just grab and go. I tested it on damp wood immediately. 1 strike, then another, and sparks flew instantly. Windy weather? No problem. It still fired reliably. That tiny tool turned panic into total control. Now I carry it for camping and hiking. It also stays in my EDC emergency kit. Bushcraft, barbecue, fishing, hunting. This fits every adventure. When disaster hits, do you want to improvise? Or do you want instant fire in your pocket? This is the backup every outdoors person needs. Compact, waterproof, windproof, and built for real survival. 1 small tool can change your whole trip. Don't wait until you're cold and stranded. Grab this fire starter before your next adventure. Wouldn't you rather be prepared before the emergency? Number 2. Too much stress, too many thoughts, and restless hands. Work drags on, focus slips, and habits creep back. Nail biting, phone checking, and tapping never seem to stop. Meetings feel longer when your mind needs a quiet outlet. That's where this 3-in-1 metal fidget set steps in. It gives your hands something satisfying to do instantly. The triple slider delivers smooth movement and tactile clicks. The spinner brings a calming, steady motion for busy moments. The haptic coin adds a unique, soothing, tactile feel. Each piece is made from durable metal for lasting use. The premium black finish looks sleek, discreet, and modern. Compact enough to carry in your pocket every day. Slip it into a bag, desk drawer, or jacket. Use it during commuting, studying, waiting, or working. No noise, no distraction, just focused hands and calm. When anxiety rises, a quick fidget break resets your mind. When boredom hits, it keeps your attention engaged. When habits return, it helps redirect your energy. This set turns idle moments into productive, calming pauses. It helps improve concentration without forcing you to sit still. It supports hand exercise through simple, repetitive movement. It offers sensory satisfaction that feels instantly rewarding. Perfect for adults, students, office workers, and everyday users. Also ideal for anyone needing quiet stress relief. 3 tools, 1 compact set, endless ways to fidget. You get variety, quality, and portability in one purchase. Less stress, fewer habits, and better focus throughout the day. A small tool that makes a noticeable difference daily. If your hands need purpose, this set delivers. If your mind needs calm, this set helps. Number 3. Meet the Mighty Bar, your pocket-sized problem solver. Built from solid stainless steel, it feels seriously tough. No flimsy gimmicks, just dependable strength when you need it. Reason 1. It handles everyday prying without breaking a sweat. Open stubborn boxes, lift staples, and scrape stuck-on labels. From quick fixes to small repairs, it keeps moving. Reason 2. It replaces bulky tools in your pocket. You do not need 20 tools for simple daily tasks. This minimalist design covers the essentials with confidence. Slip it on your keys, lanyard, or backpack. It stays ready, always within reach, never in the way. Reason 3. It is made for real everyday carry. Compact enough for pockets, yet strong enough to work. That balance makes it a smart tool for anyone. Need to turn a screw in a pinch? Need to pry, lift, or separate something carefully? The Mighty Bar steps up fast and cleanly. It is the kind of tool you start using constantly. Simple, rugged, and always useful in unexpected moments. Perfect for makers, commuters, travelers, and gear lovers. Also great for anyone who hates overpacked pockets. If you value function, this one earns its place. If you like durable gear, this is a solid pick. If you want one tool that actually gets used, here it is. Check out the Mighty Bar and see the difference. Add it to your everyday carry before you forget. Grab one for yourself, then keep it on hand. Small tool, big utility, zero wasted space. Tap the link, get yours, and upgrade your keychain. The Mighty Bar is ready when you are. Number 4. Tired of messy tools slowing every job? Meet the IRONCUBE Tool Pouch, a compact roll-up organizer built for real work. Picture your garage, workshop, or truck bed instantly neater. Unroll it, and everything has its place. 6 spacious pockets store wrenches and hand tools securely. No more digging through crowded boxes or drawers. Grab exactly what you need, right when you need it. Made from rugged waxed canvas, it handles hard use. The waterproof finish helps protect tools from moisture. Rain, spills, and dust become less of a problem. Your tools stay organized, dry, and ready. The roll-up design saves valuable space everywhere. Hang it on a wall, rack, or hook. Or roll it up and take it anywhere. Perfect for mechanics, technicians, DIYers, and home users. It fits busy workdays and quick weekend repairs. The reinforced construction adds dependable everyday durability. Built to handle repeated opening, rolling, and carrying. Each pocket keeps tools separated and easy to identify. That means faster access and smoother workflow. The upgraded design also looks clean and professional. Functional storage can still elevate your workspace. A better organizer creates a better working experience. Less clutter, less stress, more focus on the task. From repairs to maintenance, it keeps you prepared. Strong, stylish, and highly practical in one pouch. Upgrade your tool storage with IRONCUBE today. Work smarter, move faster, and stay organized. Choose the tool pouch that makes every job easier. Number 5. Most people think keychains should just hold keys. But bulky, noisy keys create daily pocket frustration. I test everyday carry gear for practical performance. And key organization is often the first upgrade. The problem is simple. Standard key rings waste space. They jingle, scratch pockets, and feel awkward. KeySmart Rugged solves that with a smarter layout. It's thicker, too. 79mm plates add serious durability. Yet it still keeps a minimal, pocket-friendly profile. It holds 2 to 14 keys securely. Need more capacity? Add expansion screws easily. That flexibility makes it useful for almost anyone. The removable pocket clip adds carry convenience. The loop piece works perfectly for car fobs, so you can carry keys your way. This is more than a key holder. It is a compact everyday carry organizer. The stainless steel bottle opener adds real value. Not gimmicky, just genuinely useful when you need it. The rugged build also stands up to daily use. Rain, travel, work, or outdoor carry, it handles all. And the result is immediate and noticeable. Keys sit flatter, move quieter, and feel lighter. No more pocket bulk, noise, or tangled rings. It even looks cleaner and more premium. For commuters, drivers, and EDC users, that matters. For gift buyers, it is an easy win. KeySmart Rugged delivers function, durability, and everyday convenience. If your keys are still a mess, upgrade now. Choose KeySmart Rugged and carry smarter every day. Number 6. The night exploded into darkness. My flashlight had failed. I froze, staring at the dead road ahead. Then came the sound of something moving nearby. I needed light fast, or everything went wrong. I grabbed a tiny tool from my pocket. At first glance, it looked far too small, too stylish, too compact, almost impossible to trust. But this was no ordinary pocket flashlight. WUBEN E7 instantly blasted out 1,800 lumens. The 175-degree floodlight swallowed the darkness whole. Suddenly, the threat became completely visible. I switched modes: high, medium, low, and super bright. A double click unleashed shocking emergency intensity. 3 clicks triggered strobe, perfect for defense. 4 clicks locked it safely against accidents. The memory function remembered my last setting. No fumbling, no guessing, no wasted seconds. Then I dropped it into puddle water. It kept glowing like nothing had happened. That IP68 waterproof body felt outrageously reliable. Aircraft-grade aluminum made it feel built for battle. The magnetic base snapped onto metal instantly. Now I could work hands-free everywhere. The clip secured it to my gear. Need a headlamp? Clip it and go. Type-C charging made power simple and fast. For camping, rescue, repair, or emergencies, it dominates. Small in size, massive in performance, impossible to ignore. If you want real power, choose WUBEN E7. Get yours now before the darkness wins. Number 7. Ever feel like your backpack gives up before you do? Heavy straps, messy pockets, and sore shoulders all day. That changed when I found this Otter backpack. It looks cute, but it works like a champ. The padded shoulder straps feel soft and supportive. They help spread weight more comfortably across both shoulders. The padded back adds extra comfort during long carry, so even busy school days feel easier to handle. Inside, the main compartment holds books and folders. There's also a front zipper pocket for quick access. 2 side pockets keep water bottles within reach. Everything stays organized instead of getting buried together. The roomy design works for school, work, and travel. Use it as a day pack, laptop bag, or rucksack. It fits daily routines, weekend trips, and outdoor plans. The polyester fabric feels sturdy and built for regular use. It's also water-resistant for unexpected weather moments. Reinforced edges help the bag keep its shape. That means it looks neat, even when packed full. The cartoon Otter print adds a friendly, playful touch. It works for students, commuters, and casual everyday carry. Perfect for school, picnics, travel, and short outings. It's lightweight, so carrying it never feels bulky. Adjustable straps make the fit easy to personalize. That comfort matters for kids, teens, and adults alike. And the storage space handles real daily essentials well. Books, notebooks, tablets, and small items all fit neatly. If you want cute and practical, this bag delivers. Simple, comfortable, and ready for everyday use. Grab the Otter backpack and make carry days easier. Number 8. When your phone becomes a console, everything changes. Meet the EasySMX M15, built for mobile domination. Snap in your phone and the battle begins instantly. No setup drama, just plug, stretch, and play. Compatible with Android and iPhone 15 series devices. Fits phones from 102 to 176 millimeters. The telescopic grip locks in a stable, secure hold. Even fast movements feel controlled, balanced, and precise. Hall effect joysticks deliver smooth, drift-free accuracy. No dead zones, no guessing, just pure control. Every movement feels sharp, responsive, and effortlessly reliable. Hall effect triggers translate every tap into instant action. Race, aim, and fire with stunning precision. Mechanical micro-switch buttons add a satisfying tactile click. Fast response turns every command into an advantage. Built for up to 5 million clicks. That means durability designed for serious, endless gameplay. Play Minecraft, COD, PUBG, and more with confidence. Enjoy mobile sports titles like FC Mobile. It also supports eFootball, Total Football, and others. Want cloud gaming? It works with Steam Link. Also compatible with NVIDIA GeForce Now and Amazon Luna. Android users can switch Bluetooth for Call of Duty. A movable Type-C interface keeps connection flexibility effortless. The ergonomic design feels natural during long sessions. Textured anti-slip grips help you stay locked in. Console-style comfort meets mobile gaming freedom. Every detail is made for precision and immersion. From casual matches to ranked battles, it keeps up. Upgrade your phone Upgrade your game, upgrade your wins. EasySMX M15, the controller your phone has been waiting for. Grab yours now and play like you mean it. Number 9. Meet the Morakniv Companion, your go-anywhere outdoor knife. Built for camping, hiking, fishing, backpacking, and survival tasks. Grab it when reliable cutting matters most. It's 1-inch blade, delivers confident, versatile performance. High-quality Sandvik 12 C27 stainless steel stays sharp longer. It also resists rust better than many carbon steels. That means less worry, more time outdoors. From tinder to wood, it handles tough jobs. Need to carve, prep food, or trim cordage? The Companion keeps cutting smooth and efficient. Its Scandi-style edge supports controlled, precise work. The ergonomic polymer handle feels secure in hand. A soft, high-friction grip improves control in wet weather. The finger guard adds extra confidence during hard use, so every cut feels steadier and safer. Take it into camp, on the trail, or off-grid. This knife is ready for real outdoor demands. The included polymer sheath protects the blade. Its belt clip makes carry fast and convenient. Attach it to your belt or rucksack in seconds. Lightweight at just 3.9 ounces with sheath included. Compact, practical, and easy to bring anywhere. For best results, dry the blade after wet use. Regular cleaning and oiling help maintain lasting performance, especially after contact with acidic foods or moisture. With proper care, it stays dependable adventure after adventure. This is more than a knife. It is a trusted outdoor tool for everyday use. Upgrade your kit with the Morakniv Companion today. Get yours and cut smarter, safer, and stronger. Number 10. Ever fumble for a knife when every second matters? Pocket knives can feel bulky, slow, and awkward to draw. Loose clips and clumsy openings kill confidence fast. That hesitation can turn a simple cut into frustration. Meet the CRKT Provoke, built to change that. Its kinematic mechanism brings the blade to life instantly. A gentle thumb push starts the opening motion. The blade lunges out smoothly, then locks securely. No wrestling, no awkward struggle, just fast control. Inspired by karambit design, it feels familiar yet futuristic. The hawkbill blade handles cutting tasks with precision. D2 steel delivers strong edge retention and durability. That means fewer sharpenings and more dependable performance. The black titanium nitride finish adds toughness and style. Its 6061 aluminum handle keeps strength high and weight low, so it carries comfortably without weighing you down. The ring grip gives you confident, secure handling. Even in quick-use moments, control stays firm. A flush-mounted pocket clip keeps it discreet and ready. It rides clean in your pocket, not in the way. Designed by Joe Caswell, it feels boldly original. Every detail reflects innovation, purpose, and practical thinking. For daily carry, it brings real convenience. For outdoor use, it offers dependable cutting power. For collectors, it delivers standout mechanical appeal. For professionals, it supports fast, controlled, everyday utility. You get a knife that opens differently and performs better. You get durability, confidence, and easier carry in one. Most importantly, you get a tool that feels ready. Ready for work, ready for movement, ready for anything. That wraps up our list of 10 next-level EDC gear and gadgets everyone will love. From reliable survival equipment and versatile multi-tools to everyday organizers and cutting-edge accessories, each item brings its own unique value to your daily carry. We hope this list helped you discover your next favorite piece of EDC gear. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews, EDC recommendations, and outdoor essentials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.